Hello friend, today we shall talk about a topic that how we can create a custom object in Salesforce. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in Salesforce CRM and you want to learn about it. So first we have to log in into the Salesforce. Okay. Then we will practically see that how we can create a custom object. First of all, we have to understand, friend, that what is a custom object. Before creating an object, what is basically the concept of custom object? Basically, friend, whenever we talk about object, there are mainly two types of object. First is the standard object, okay, and another type is the custom object. Okay, so there are mainly two types of object: standard object and custom object. Now what is the difference between standard and custom? Basically, friend, there are a few objects which are built in into the Salesforce application. Let me give you an example here. If I open the sales application of the Salesforce, so you can notice here, like for example, opportunity, leads, task, account, contacts. So all these are the standard objects of Salesforce. That means these are the standard objects, and you cannot delete those objects, and the functionality is built in. So that is why it is called as standard objects. The another type is the custom object. Like for example, you are creating a college application, for example, application which will be used in a college, which store data about students and their records. So what you can do, like you can create a custom object of college student, okay, and this custom object will be used in the application of college. So how you can create a custom object? You have to click here on the setup option here. Okay, this is the setup of Salesforce. Here you can just find the object. Once I write the object here, there is an option of object manager. I will click here on the object manager, and then there is an option of create. I will click here, create custom object. Okay, then you can see here I will give a name as college student. Okay, so you will notice okay, so this is the label. Label means this is the label which will be displayed. This is the object name college underscore student. Now what is the difference here? This is the label which will be displayed in front of application. This is the object name which will be used in the APIs, or you can say programmatically. Okay, now what are the data types which will be included into the custom object? Like when a college student object created, there is a field college student name which will be compulsory, which will be created, like that object, and it has a field of college student name. Now it is asking that what is the data type for this. So I will say auto number. I will say college student name. Instead of name, I will say college student ID. Okay, now it will asking that what is the display format. I will say this, and starting from this. So that means, friend, whenever a college student object or record created, it will have a field of college student ID by default. It is compulsory and required, and it is a auto number field. That means it will start from 1, like 4 times 0, like 0001. Okay, so in this format it will always be created. Now also I will say that I want to allow reports, allow activities, track field history, allow in chatter group, etc. So I want all these fields. Next is asking that it is asking that it is deployed or in development. Deployed means that once I create this object, it will automatically be available for the user. Okay, so once I also I want that it is allowable for search as well. Then I will also click on this, and then I will click on the save option. Once I click on the save option, okay, now it is asking that about the object tab. See friend, whenever we create an object, it will be associated to the tab here. This is the tab. Okay, this is also a tab. So once we are talking about what is tab, actually we are talking about these things, like this is a tab, this is a tab. So it is asking that college student tab, college student object, it will be associated to which tab style. So I will I will select any of this. Once I click on that, okay, so then it will ask me to select next. I will select next from here. It is also asking that once you create an object, it will be visible to whom profiles. So all the profiles are available here, you can see from here. Okay, so you can basically by default apply on one tab visibility to all pick list. If you want that it is visible to all, so you can notice from here it is available for all the profiles. Remember one thing, that the custom object should be available for the system administrator, because right now you are a system administrator and this profile, this object should be visible or default on for all profiles, especially for the system administrator. Remember one more thing, that if you want that it is available for one profile and not for the other profile, so you can click apply a different tab visibility and change the visibility for different profile. For just for visibility, I want that it is available for all profiles, and then I will click here for the next. Then next it is available for, will be available, you may also example after the visibility of tabs, it is visible for it is asking that in which application you want to include. Okay, for example, I want that it should not be available on all applications. I want that it should be available only in the institute application. Okay, this is an application which I have already created, so I will click on that. So that means once this object will be created, it will automatically be included in the institute applications. Then after that I will click on save button. So you can see this object has been created. Okay, and after that you can basically once like this is the application here. Now where you can find the object, where it is available. So you can just have to go into the application of institute. This is the application of institute. I will click here, and here you can see this is the object of college student which I have created. Okay, you can just click on the object here, and you can notice that all the standard functionality for the object is now available. You just click here and you can start creating the object here. Here remember one thing, that you have noticed that it is only containing the college student ID. Okay, once I click on save, so we have to see what happened. Actually, you can notice that college student ID with ST001 has been created. Okay, now there's one important thing, that what about the other fields, what you can do about other fields. So friend, we will discuss about the other fields, that how you can add custom fields into a custom object in another video. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.